Start recording. Alright, I lost about $1,000. I lost $1,000 game. But it was my fault too, and I just but okay, let's fucking recap this trade that I took where I had my bias wrong, or maybe I had my bias right, but I had my bias right, but it just like I don't know, I just got FOMO, bro, and uh, my emotions and shit, and I over leverage. I put like 1,000 on this bit, bro. I raised $1,000 because I was watching this dude, and he was like, "Oh, like you should pass your evals quickly, cause it's no point of being on your evals for fucking weeks straight." You know what I mean? So I was like, "Bro, I gotta pass this shit." Cause I've been in this eval for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, bro. I gotta pass, bro. I gotta pass. So I was like, "Gang, I gotta pass this shit." I gotta pass it, bro. So I was like, bro, I really gotta risk heavy. And the thing is, the trade I took wasn't bad. I mean, the trade I took was bad, but the trade I marked out was terrible, dude. The trade I fucking marked out was so bad that, cause it was the move already happened. We already took liquidity on. We already took I think there's agent session uh high. We already took the agent session high. You know. And I was like, yeah, we're gonna take. I took this bait on EQ, but we're gonna take. We already took this fucking high, and I'm like, alright, bro. Like, we probably want to take the last high because there was two highs above. There was two high. There was there's basically equal highs up there, but we don't. We only took one. And I'm like, okay, we gotta take the other one, right? We gotta take the other one, and we gotta. Cause see, you eventually did take it, but like it was late as fucking market. But it was here. We were in downtrend, bro, because we were respecting this gap, and then there was a gap here. There was a 1 hour gap right here. This is the 1 hour gap I took the trade from. Because I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna respect this bit and then come up, right? No, we did not. No, we did not. No, we did not. The thing that happened was there were also SMT, which gave me more confidence that oh yeah, we're definitely going higher. Because on ES we took this low, right? And on NQ, well, right now no, but then NQ were up here, so I'm like, oh yeah, this is SMT too. Hell yeah, bro, it's fucking long. So I was like, alright, we're gonna long john this bit. Uh, the dude doesn't even see me. He be bro, damn. Alright, let's go back. Okay, so boom, we eventually did take him, but like it took PM session to take. So you know what I mean? It is what it is. So I was long on market open. I was like, okay, we had S&T on the lows. On the, we wasn't even close to it on market open, and then we just dumped. Immediately, we dumped. So I was trading a retracement. Um, I, I don't no disrespect to his order block. But bro, we were respecting on a 15-minute. We were respecting this block so heavily. Like, look at this. Look at this wick right here. Like, I saw this wick. I'm like, yeah, we're going up. You know what I mean? I was like, yeah, we're definitely going up here. So market open, and around like 8 something. Because we okay, where did I take this trade at? Where did I take the trade at? Hold on. Hold on, give me a sec. Where the fuck did I take this trade at, bro? Yeah, yeah, I took it, yes. We eventually did take it out, bro. But look, it's at 1 p.m., bro. It's at 1, dude. It was at 1. It was at 1. I got manipulated, bro. I got fucked here, dude. I got so fucked. Yeah, look. Just to make sure I'm not lying. Look, I'm locked out on my account, too. Like, I can't even trade. Oh, wait. Well, I was locked out. Um, I couldn't trade. look at my shit, bro. I'm down $1,800, bro. My daily win is no trades. Yeah, I'm down hella money, bro. Like I'm cooked, basically. It's not good, bro. My best day, it was what the fuck? Yeah, I'm not profitable, bro. I'm not profitable yet. Like I've been losing. You know, bad. I've been, yeah, it's not good, bro. I'm not looking good. After this trade recap, I'm gonna close this trade out. I'm close this account, and I'm gonna go back to demo, bro. I'm gonna go back to demo and start trading over there for like 2 months. See if like when I become profitable on basically demo, I can I can come back and try to do a combine. But yeah, anyways, bro, I took this trade on ES because we had an S&T on the lows at the time, and I was like, okay, we're going up. So boom, from here, I was looking for this, like we were holding this gap, right? So I was like, okay, yeah, we're going on here, bro, right? So we're holding this gap, right? Boom, we hold it, boom, and then we came back and visited, and we went through it, but we still hold it. We even tapped into this fucking order block on a 5 minute. So I'm like, yeah, we're long. I was like, yeah, we're long. We have a lot of confluences that we want to go long on a high time frame. I was like, yeah, we're probably going to go long and at least take out this, right? And thing is, I took a bad trade here where the move already like you already took out internal highs. See, boom, right here. You took out all of this low resistance liquidity at market open, and I should have fucking realized that this was accumulation manipulation to these highs, and then boom, we're gonna get distributed. So we're gonna distribute. So we had all of this. We had this right here. We had this right here. Oh, we already took that out. Okay. Anyways, we had like all this right here. And like, yeah, I feel like we're long today. And my bias was wrong. We were short. We were short because I should have realized, boom, we took this out. We took this out. You know, we took. I think this is a 15 minute. No, we didn't. Yeah, boom, right here. We took this out. Took this 15 minute high right here. We're manipulating up to these highs to distribute down. Boom. And boom. We had this big ass wick down here to these lows. And I got stopped out. And the thing is, bro, the first trade I marked out, even though it was kind of bad, because I was trading against the bias, but I was like, yeah, we're probably gonna go ahead and take at least Asian session highs up. You know, we're gonna take this out, and I was gonna break even here, or I was gonna not break even. I was gonna take partials here at this high because we had at this high we're gonna take partials because we had a bunch of like liquidity, boom, all of this. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take partial right here, and then leave my runner on my last take profit here. We eventually did take it, but the thing is, it was just like we were going short basically. Um, and the trade I marked out today was okay. Boom. We had this. Oh shit. Fuck, I keep doing that shit. The trade I marked out was this. So on the 1 minute, I went to the 1 minute because we were respecting this gap at the time, and I'm like, okay. So I looked at this, and I was like, okay, we respect this gap. We didn't break out of it. We also had BPR here, where it's right here. Boom, this. So we had BPR in that, and also all that. But the main thing I marked out was this. So I marked it out, but I didn't take the trade, which I'm so dumb, bro. So we took BPR. We took we were respecting the 1 hour gap. So I'm like, okay, we're on long. We're gonna take Asian sessions. We're gonna take Asian session highs before we drop. So boom, we had a 1 minute CSD right here, and I marked out this. I thought, okay, this, even though it wasn't good risk, it was still a 1-1. And I marked out this. I'm like, okay, maybe before I enter, I want to see a retracement down to this fair value gap. Also on a 2 minute, we had BPR where see, look right here, we have two fair value gaps, inverse, and a regular fair value gap. And I'm like, we have BPR. I'm like, we're gonna probably revisit that, and then take highs, you know. But we didn't do that. We didn't do that. I should have realized. I should have seen that. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, but I should have seen that this was just a market maker sell model. Boom. Market maker sell model, dude. Market maker sell model right here. Because boom, we took internal liquidity and then we dropped to take external. So, oh my god, dude. N P Y S P. Okay, so boom, we took that. So then that's the trade I marked out. That would have been a banger. That would have hit. It had all the confluence. We're respecting this. We made a CISD. We had an SMT at the lows on the high time frames. So I'm like, okay. So with all that coming in, with all that shit coming in, I was like, okay, we're probably going long, dude. Probably gonna revisit this gap. You know, boom, we revisit this BPR. We also had BPR on a 2 minute. And I'm like, yeah, okay, we're probably gonna go long. But this was all just a fucking sell model, bro. This was all a sell model. This wasn't a buy model. Like, boom, boom. That's it. Boom, boom. Because we took liquidity. Right here. Drop down. Liquidity up here. Take all liquidity. And boom, we drop. So, took all that. I was like, okay, probably going to go higher. Tapped in this for value gap. Saw this green candle off of it. And I'm like, okay, well, I entered like around here. Didn't even wait for the candle close. I just entered. Such a bad entry. And then my take profit was this for a better RR and a better entry. Immediately as I took this trade, I got stopped out. Immediately. I got stopped out, dude. I have my boom right here and my long right here. My final take profit over there. So boom, I literally say we fucking dropped to my stop loss. And bro, that shit was, oh my god. I mean, either way, bro. You're gonna take losers. I know this is all part of a process. I know I'm gonna lose when I start, cause bro, I've been trading for like fucking four or 5 months. I think I've been trading for right now. I started this summer, so like around like when it's been like 4 or 5 months, dude, and this is my first combine, and I'm okay with. I'm gonna like I'm gonna get off of this combine, because I can't use it no more. I mean, I'm already down with so much money on this bit. It's no point in me trying to, you know, take a comeback or whatever. Like, it's done. You know what I mean? I have $200 left before I hit the max limit. So I was like, yeah, bro. I took a bad trade, and it is what it is, bro. This is like one of the trades where you realize, okay, this could make or break your shit, bro. I lost this combine. It is what it is, bro. It's just $50, but you have to realize that this is all part of a process, bro. Of course, you're gonna lose in the beginning, bro. You're still fucking new to this market, and the only thing is to get better. Even though this is a loss, at the end of the day, I'm gonna mark this shit out. I'm gonna journal this. I'm gonna be like, okay, this is what I did wrong, and I'll make sure not to do it again. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna do this shit again, but at least I mark it out. I'm like, okay, boom. I'm not doing this shit again, bro. I'm not doing this shit again. I'm trying not to do it again. If I see this shit happen again, where like I have a mistake, cause the real reason I lost this trade, cause I had FOMO, dude. I was like, boom, oh look, I marked out this trade that it would have hit. Then we come down. I'm like, oh my god, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. I have to take the trade because I don't want to miss it. And that's what I was thinking, like subconsciously. I'm like, oh, we gotta take the trade, even though I didn't know at the time that oh shit, I was having FOMO. I entered, I didn't even for the candle to close, dude. And on a 5 minute, you know how this shit looks like. On a 5 minute, this shit looks like. Hold on a 5 minute. Oh shit, that's a 2 minute. On a 5 minute, just boom boom. Like, come on, bro. On a 5 minute, this shit didn't even have anything, dude. So yeah, this wasn't a good trade, bro. This wasn't a good trade, man. On a 5 minute, I mean, you could have taken it off this order block or whatever, but like, look at this, bro. It's not. This wasn't a good trade. To take. We were trading in two lower time frames. Like this is 1 minute and 2 minute. You think that's gonna like if I zoom out? I should have zoomed out. I should have looked what the fuck is going on. We actually wanted all these lows down here. We wanted the external draw. We're going to the external draw. I was trading a retracement. We had this big 4 hour fair value gap, bearish fair value gap that we were expecting on the higher time frames, and I just had my bias wrong. I had my bias wrong, and we're probably bullish now, but it's kind of too late in the market to trade. But it is what it is, bro. Um, it's just like a bad trade I took, bro. It was just a bad trade I took, and you know, I'm gonna journal this shit. I'm gonna be like, this is what happened. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Um, this is and for this trade recap. It's probably long as hell. It's probably my longest one. But this is my worst loss so far. Probably my worst trade too. Um, but it's alright. I'm gonna journal this trade. Then I'm gonna close out this account, and I'm gonna go back to fucking demo, bro. But yeah, um, yeah, $50 gone. Who gives a fuck? It's $50. So, anyways, bro, I see y'all. I'll probably trade tomorrow. I'm gonna trade tomorrow.